Hey, what is up, peeps? We are less than the 3 months from the S9 big unveil, and the new set of pictures showing the flagship just popped up online. The first press renders of the S9 and its bigger brother, the S9 Plus, revealed the back variant of the smartphone. Today, even Blast posted 2 new pictures of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, showing the lilac purple variant of the flagship. On top of that, we got to see the rear side of the phones as well as the left and right edges. The pictures confirms that the Samsung has decided to include a single lens camera on the S9, whereas the S9 Plus will come with a dual camera setup. The positioning of the fingerprint sensor is visible too and comes in line with the previous report. Black and lilac purple won't be the only color option Samsung will be able to choose from when ordering the S9 and S9 Plus. I bet many of you are waiting for the coral blue variant, so you will be pleased to know that the Samsung will oblige. Both flagships are expected to be available in midnight black, lilac purple, titanium grey and coral blue. So yeah guys, if you like the video, hit the like button and thanks for watching.